4+1 most frequently asked questions about single-pair Ethernet. We have extended our product offer by Phoenix Contact connectors and cables designed for single-pair Ethernet. With their help, we can simplify the connection of devices in the network so that they can be powered, but at the same time they are able to communicate quickly and reliably. František Ďuríšek, SOS Electronics product specialist, has prepared answers to the most frequently asked questions that interest our customers with regards to the single-pair Ethernet. Single-pair Ethernet technology represents a very promising way of communicating and powering of new devices. What is single-pair Ethernet? This is probably one of the most searched terms for this topic. Simply put, single-pair Ethernet (SPE) is a communication technology that enables high-speed data transmission and power over a single twisted pair of wires. This also results in the designation that has been adopted in this area, that is, single-pair or two-wire Ethernet. SPE technology is indeed a very promising solution in the era of the Internet of Things (IoT) and Industry 4.0. Single-pair Ethernet (SPE) is one of the mega trends in industrial data transmission. The purpose of SPE is not to define new higher transmission speeds or distances. Rather, it is to form the framework for standardizing reduced amounts of cabling for applications, says Torsten Janvleke, President of Business Area Device Connectors at Phoenix Contact. The second very important question is why use SPE technology? In comparison with traditional Ethernet, which typically requires 2 to 4 pairs of wires to transfer data and power, SPE uses only one pair. Therefore, it mainly finds its use in industrial automation applications or in the automotive industry. That is, in places where space and weight restrictions are critical. The interesting thing is that these two wires can also have a larger cross-section of copper, for example 0.32 square millimeters. And when they are used also for power supply, power over data line (PODL) technology, power over Ethernet (PoE), they allow us to transfer more power. We have expanded our product offer by, for example, the SPE T1 CCP SF 2.0 AWG22 CCP SF network patch cable from Phoenix Contact Products, which can handle the transmission of 72 volts DC and 4 amps. Another great advantage of SPE technology is that connectors with 2 pins are smaller than 8-pin connectors. And we can have such an SPE connector in the standardized size M8 or M12 with IP67 protection, while the M12 connector is very often used in industrial automation in traditional Ethernet. How fast and with what standards can we communicate over SPE? SPE technology currently provides, including Ethernet PHY, a maximum data transfer of 1 gigabit per second up to a distance of 40 meters. It is assumed that in the future it will reach data transmission values of up to 10 gigabits per second over a distance of 15 meters. The list of basic standards according to the IEEE 802.3 standard can be found in the table on our website. Which connectors and cables are suitable for SPE? As the first product from the Phoenix Contact products in our offer, we chose the SPE connector to PCB SPE T1 STRM90. Its advantage is a relatively robust construction and small dimensions. The connector itself is thin, and therefore it is easy to put them next to each other in an application, for example, for a switch or a router. For SPE technology, we have dedicated connectors according to the IEC 63171-2 standard. As a connecting cable, we recommend using a ready-made patch cable that Phoenix Contact produces in various lengths. For example, SPE-T1 CCP SF 2.0 AWG22 CCP SF. For the solution with the SPE-T1 STRM90 connector. If this type of cable does not fit in the device, we can still set our own patch cable using the SPE-T1 CIM-SF connector. Such a connection has IP20 protection. If we require an industrial solution with a higher level of protection, we can achieve IP67 protection with M8 or M12 connectors. Using ready-made Phoenix Contact patch cables, such as the network cable SPE-T1 M8 FSF 2.099B M8 FSF, we can build our own SPE network. Why did we decide to add these products into our offer? Connectors and cables suitable for the use of SPE technology represent a very promising way of communicating and powering new devices. As a direct distributor of Phoenix Contact, the manufacturer of connectors and cables for SPE technology, we can assist you in choosing the optimal solution, provide the necessary samples, and guarantee competitive prices for deployment in production. In the conclusion of this article, we would like to provide a brief summary of single-pair Ethernet. What are the advantages of SPE technology? 2 wires instead of 4 or 8 wires. Possibility to transfer power supply with current of up to 72 volts, 4 amps. 2-wire cable can be more flexible than an 8-wire one. Possibility to transfer data at a speed of up to 1 gigabit per second. What are the most common applications for SPE? Transportation, automotive, railway, aviation industry, industrial automation, robotics, smart buildings, sensors. What do we need for the SPE system? 2 pieces of SPE connectors, patch cable, communication circuit. More detailed and other interesting information about single-pair Ethernet technology and its practical use can be found directly on the website of the manufacturer Phoenix Contact. Are you interested in more information on Phoenix Contact products? Or do you have another question or request? Please contact us at soselectronic.com. We will be happy to help you.